Hi everyone, welcome to Learning by Doing with Praveen Kandan. This is Praveen. In this Java playlist, you'll learn pattern programs step by step. This is Java programming session number 26, pattern 39, reverse number triangle. If you are serious about learning, like the video, subscribe the channel for more updates. Please click the bell icon and select all notifications. Don't choose personalized option. You may miss some session updates. Let's get started. In our previous session, we have discussed about alphabet increasing pattern type. Now we are moving on to the reverse number triangle pattern. So already we are discussed in line number, there is a pattern number 36, 37, number triangle. This time we are completely inversing this opposite direction we are going to print it. Is that pattern 39. So 4 means reverse manner we are printing. We already provided a detailed explanation about the reverse direction in our previous sessions. Whatever it is, integer or alphabet, if you're coming in the forward direction, it looks like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is also number of time execution is 5 times. This example also reverse direction you are coming 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It is also executing 5 times. Both are same in the number of times execution parameter. This is also executing 5 times, this is also executing 5 times. Only the direction is changing. This is forward direction, this is reverse direction. Got it? So only the values are here incrementing, here decrementing. But number of time execution is 5. Got it? Same way we are proceeding here also. So first observe the sample input output clearly. If sample input is 4, we are printing 4 rows. Very clear. The sample input is 4, 4 times we are printing. So here I will tell you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is equal to 5, 4, 3, 2, a number of times execution. So usually what you'll do, they will tell first one is the first row, second one is the second row, third row, fourth row, so on so. This time we are completely explaining in a reverse manner. So assume that this is your fourth row, this is your third row, this is your second row, and this is your first row. In this manner we are going to print it. So as usual, we have to move in the reverse direction. So first of all, this time, what's your starting point means n is my starting point, because if my sample input is 4, I'm starting from fourth position. So I equal to n till which value, which line number I'm printing means first, till first row I'm printing. For that I'm giving I greater than or equal to 1. Till I'm reaching 1, my loop should execute. So 4, from I'm starting from 4 and I should reach my destination 1 means what I have to do? Decrement. Reverse order I'm giving. For that purpose only I'm giving the decrement operator here. Okay, next. Any changes about the inner for loop? Yes. Line number 1 means I'm printing one time. Line number two means two times I'm printing. Line number three means three times. But the scenario is completely different. If you're starting from j equal to 1, it will be confused to 1, because current row number is what is that? 4, 3, 2, 1. So here also you should come from the back end. That is useful for you. Okay, you can able to find out the solution in a simple manner. So here also, here it starts with, okay, j equal to n, j equal to n, j greater than or equal to I, j greater than or equal to I. Okay, so after that what you are printing? Line numbers, because line number 4 means 4 printing, line number 3 means 3 printing. So this time the body of the inner loop is your printing is I. Look at this output screen. If my sample input is capital E, so what's the problem with this? Line number 9, input mismatch expense. Yes, I'm providing E. So last example I executed it in alphabet, that's why I provided E. So this time giving 5. Look at this output screen. Yes, you are getting the output as per our sample input output. Okay, do mistakes, then only you can learn it. So here I made the typing mistake, so it leads to input mismatch exception. Actually we are getting the input in our code through integer, but I am providing so there is input mismatch exception. Expectation is integer value, but provided value is alphabet. That's why error is getting. So now the problem is sorted out. See the sample input output. This is our required output. So as usual, now explain in the debugging mode. Listen it carefully. I'm clicking the start button now. If my sample input is 4, look at this output screen. So I should give the debugging option. Am I right? Oh, wait, I'll give the breakpoints to easily understand this. So here, what's my sample input? After clicking the start button, if my sample input is 5, for a shorter explanation, I'm giving 4 itself. So 4, step into it enter the outer for loop I equal to n. After initialization, what's the I value now? 4. I greater than or equal to 1. That is 4 greater than or equal to 1 condition is true. It is entered the body of the inner for loop. J equal to n. J greater than or equal to I. So what's the n value now? 4. 4 greater than or equal to I value, because it should print line number 4 means only one time it is printing. Line number 3 means two times. So that is depends upon the line number. So for that purpose, only I'm going j greater than or equal to I. So condition is true. 4 greater than or equal to 4 condition is true. It will enter the line number 9. What's the current I value? 4. So 4 is printed now. See the output screen. 4 space is printed. 4 with space. And then new line is printed. So cursor will move on to the next line. Before that, it will again decrement the value. Am I right? 4 value is printed with space. 4 is decremented means what is that? 3. 3 greater than or equal to 4. 3 greater than or equal to 4 condition is failed. Now the control will be transferred to line number 11, from 8 to 11. Okay. So the curse is again back to the inner for, sorry, what is that? Outer for loop I minus minus. Already the I value is, what is that? 4. After decrement, what's the I value? 3. So 3 greater than or equal to 1 condition is true. Now it entered the inner for loop J. So J equal to n. What's the n value? 4. So 4 greater than or equal to I. What's the current I value now? 3. So 2 times this loop is going to execute. 4 once and then 3. So first time is 4 greater than or equal to 3 condition is true. It into the body of the inner for loop. What's the current I value? 3. So 3 with white space is printed. Now again control will transfer to j decrement. After decrement, what's the I value? What is the j value? Already it is 4. After decrement, what's the j value? 3. So 3 greater than or equal to 3 condition is true. What is that? Next line number 9 will be executed. 3 on white space will be printed. After that, again j value will be decremented. Already the j value is 3. So after decrement 2, so 2 greater than or equal to 3 means condition is failed. Now the control will be transferred from line number 8 to line number 11. So new line will be printed. Now the cursor is waiting in the third line. You can able to see it here. After this, control again move on to the line number 7. Already the I value is 3 in the memory. After decrement, what is I value? 2. So 2 greater than or equal to 1 condition is true. Now it related to the body of the inner for loop for j equal to n. So always inner for loop start from the beginning. So n value is 4 means j value is now 4. 4 greater than or equal to 2. So 3 times this loop is going to execute. 4, 3, 2. 4, 3, 2. So first time the condition is true, 4 greater than or equal to 2. So now current I value will be printed. What's the current I value? 2. So 2 is first time printing. After decrement, what's the value again? J value is 3. So again 2 with white space is printing. Again decrementing the value. J value is now 2. So 2 greater than or equal to 2 condition is true. So 2 is with the white space is printed. Again decrementing means J value is 1. So 1 greater than or equal to 2 means condition is failed. Now the control transfer to line number 11. New line will be printed. Last iteration, I decrement. Already the I value is 2 in the memory. After decrement, 1 is the current I value of I. So I greater than or equal to 1 means condition is true. Again, the inner for loop will be executed from the beginning. I already provided the detailed explanation. So now I'm just telling in the abstract manner. Try to understand. J equal to n means J value is 4. Now 4 greater than or equal to 1 means 4, 3, 2, 1. 4 times this loop is going to execute. First time 1 space will be printed. Next time J decrement means 3. So again condition is true. 1 space will be printed. Again J decrementing. Same scenario, 1 space. Last iteration, already the J value is true. Now after decrement, J value is 1. So 1 greater than or equal to 1 condition is true. 1 space is printed. Again decrementing means J value is 0. So 0 greater than or equal to 1 means condition is failed. Now the control will be transferred to line number 11. New line will be printed. Again control will be transferred to I minus minus line number 7. So 0 less greater than or equal to 0 greater than or equal to 1 means condition is failed. So now the control transferred out of from the loop. Control is transferring out from the loop. See here. So as per our sample and product, we are getting the output. If you found this session useful, like this session, subscribe the channel for more update and share it with your friends. Have questions? Please drop your comments in the comment section. Thanks for watching.